Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the YouTube Music application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the profile icon that you can see in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings, click on Notifications in the middle of the screen, and here you have three options. Recommendation notifications, meaning that you will get a notification of the music that you might like based on what you listen to. So click on the button if you want to turn on this function. The second option is playlist update notifications, meaning that you will be notified whenever the playlist that you have liked are updated. Or you can also get notifications about new features, product news and tips for getting started on YouTube Music. So now, as you can see, your changes have been saved. Feel free to come back to this section at any time if you want to turn off these functions, if you don't want to receive any of these notifications anymore. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.